Creating a fully functional website or app in mere seconds, without writing a single line of code, might sound too good to be true, but it is possible. In this video, you will meet the game-changing AI tool that's about to revolutionize how you build online experiences. Stay tuned as we dive into the future of web development. It's fast, it's free, and it's going to blow your mind. Step 1. Get to know this AI platform. Here we are. This is the WebSim interface. I've sorted it by month to show the top voted sites created by other users. You can access WebSim without signing up. Just log in with Google or Discord. It's free for now, but I doubt it will stay that way for long, so I highly recommend getting started as soon as possible. WebSim AI is a revolutionary artificial intelligence tool that allows users to create websites and applications quickly and easily without requiring any coding skills. By using advanced AI models, WebSim can generate fully functional sites and apps based on simple natural language descriptions or URL edits. This tool is designed to simplify the web development process, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of their technical background. Currently, WebSim AI offers its services for free, which is a good sign of learning it now. Using WebSim AI offers several advantages. 1. Ease of use. WebSim allows users to create websites and apps quickly and intuitively, without needing to write complex code. This accessibility makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced developers looking to prototype ideas rapidly. 2. Customization. The AI's ability to customize shapes, textures, colors, and other elements in real time allows for creative freedom and precise adjustments. This flexibility ensures that users can tailor their creations to match specific design preferences or functional requirements. 3. Time efficiency. One of the standout features of WebSim is its speed. Users can generate functional prototypes in minutes, significantly reducing the time it takes to iterate and refine designs compared to traditional development methods. 4. No coding required. Unlike traditional web development tools, WebSim eliminates the need for coding skills. This lowers the barrier to entry for individuals and teams looking to experiment with web and app development without extensive technical knowledge. 5. Interactive capabilities. Features like the 3D interactive viewer and dynamic content options, such as the interdimensional cable TV example, demonstrate WebSim's capability to create engaging and interactive digital experiences effortlessly. Step 2. Be guided by these examples. Before we dive into the amazing capabilities of this AI, let me show you 2 cool examples of what WebSim can do. Example 1. 3D interactive viewer. Imagine creating a 3D world with just a few clicks using WebSim. You can choose different shapes like cubes or intricate knots and customize textures. Think wood, ceramic, or shiny metal. Want a green hue or a specific roughness? No problem. You can even adjust the background and manually rotate your creation for the perfect angle, all without needing any coding skills. Example 2. Interdimensional cable TV. This one's really fun. Clicking the link takes you to a screen where you can randomly select channels. Each click brings something new to your screen, whether it's videos, images, or interactive content. It's like flipping through channels on a TV, but you're controlling what appears, and you don't need any tech know-how to set it up. It's all thanks to WebSim's intuitive design. Step 3. Learn this demonstration of WebSim's capabilities. Alright, let's get started with selecting the AI model. I recommend going with Sonnet 3.5 Claude because it's the most advanced and up-to-date option available. Next, let's dive into creating a testimonial collection website. It's super simple. All you need to do is type out what you want in plain, everyday language. For example, you might say, I need a website where customers can leave their testimonials, either written, audio, or video. Once you've entered your requirements, WebSim will work its magic. In just a few seconds, you'll see the result, a fully functional site named TestimonyTube. This site will come with all the features you asked for, including options for users to submit their testimonials in written, audio, or video formats. It's really that easy and impressive. Step 5. Customization. and feedback. You can easily provide feedback to tweak the design to your liking. For example, if you want to make it more visually appealing or switch to dark mode, just let the AI know. It's super simple. And if you come across a version that you absolutely love, you can save it by clicking the heart icon. This way, you can keep track of all your favorite versions and revisit them anytime you want. It's a great way to experiment and find the perfect design. Step 6. Add functionality. Now, let's talk about creating separate pages for testimonials. With WebSim, it's super easy. You can use URL editing to add specific pages for written, audio, and video testimonials. This means each type of testimonial gets its own dedicated space, making it organized and professional. And here's the cool part. You can customize how these pages look. Want to match them with your brand colors? No problem. Just tweak the settings to make sure everything from the background to the call to action buttons reflects your brand's style. It's all about giving your site that personalized touch without needing any coding skills. Easy, right? Step 7. Sharing and downloading. Let's talk about sharing and downloading your creations from WebSim. After you've customized and finalized your page, saving and publishing it is a breeze. Just click on the heart icon to save your favorite versions. When you're ready to share your masterpiece, simply hit the publish button. WebSim will generate a unique link for your page that you can share with anyone you want to see your work. Now, if you prefer to have the actual HTML code, WebSim makes that easy too. Just click on the download option, and it will instantly download the HTML code for your website. This code contains all the elements and designs you've created using WebSim, ready to be hosted or shared as needed. Whether you're sharing a link or downloading HTML, WebSim gives you the tools to showcase your creativity effortlessly. Alright, so we've seen just a glimpse of what WebSim can achieve. Here, we create intricate 3D environments with customizable textures and shapes in minutes to explore interactive content like a personalized cable TV experience without any coding skills. WebSim is truly revolutionizing how we build and interact online. WebSim AI offers a user-friendly, customizable, and time-efficient platform for creating websites and apps, making it a valuable tool for both creative projects and business ventures. If you're a creative looking to prototype ideas quickly, or someone exploring new ways to engage audiences, WebSim offers a powerful toolset at your fingertips. Don't wait to explore its capabilities while it's still free. Dive in, experiment, and let your imagination run wild. Before you go, here's a question for you. How do you think tools like WebSim could enhance your creative projects or business ventures? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed diving into WebSim with us, remember to like this video and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more insights on leveraging tech for business and creativity. Don't miss out on our upcoming content. It's designed to help you thrive in the digital world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Profitability Plus.